So this is the infamous Bangla Road, night time. It all gets blocked off and becomes one very, very busy street. All the nightclubs come alive, all the adult shows come alive. They're quite explicit, the pictures. We were here a few years ago now. Daughter was only 15 at the time. And they even handed her a card, brochure type thing. Bit of a wild street. Obviously, there's a lot of bars that are set up for Westerners. One in particular is called Aussie Bar. You'll see a number of those. A kangaroo bar just here.
Hello, Hello.
Go, bang, bang. Bang, bang.
Bang bang.
Shooting range.
Yeah. Real gun real.
The green light district. So marijuana is legal here, as you probably would have told by now. Smoky monkey downstairs. Here's the food market. It goes down, goes round to the right. You walk down here, the smells are just sensational. If you like Thai food of any description, you'll absolutely love this street. So it's worthwhile coming here at night time. It's nothing more than just to smell and look at the food. And this is the other end of Bangla Road. Big rectangle, very similar to Bali. Probably it's longer. The street's probably a bit longer, not as wide, and has a lot of shops. And the traffic is just as insane, I guess, as Bali. There's a big shopping centre just over there. It's hard to see, but that's not a bad shopping centre to go into. Phuket has a couple of large, high-end, very nice new modern shopping centres. It'll surprise you. There's some very, very nice places to come for all your original, genuine artefacts, whatever you want to buy. There's a good chance you'll be able to buy it here. Then obviously all these markets will have all of your 100% genuine fakes.
Bro, you want to go?